Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. I received something new from AKK technology, and it is AKK 1S Lipo charging board. So let's see what's inside. I opened it up already. It's a charging board and bag of connectors. So what is this? This is a 5-channel, we can say channel, but it's a charging board for 1S Lipo batteries, parallel charging board, so you can charge up to 5 Lipo batteries at the same time. And what is interesting thing, you can power it up with standard USB, micro USB cable, so you can use your phone charger or USB to phone cable adapter. It's not for iOS, but for Android phones you have this standard micro USB charger, and on the other side there's a standard XT60, and with that you can use your standard 2S or 3S Lipo battery as a power supply. It's a good thing because you can take your, let's say, 3S battery on the field and charge those small 1S batteries with it. Okay, so each channel has 2 ports. This smaller one is standard E-Flight port, and this bigger one, that's where these cables come. It's just for attaching this adapter for other types of 1S battery connections. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use charger. I need to put it more closer, like this. And one other thing which is really important, each channel has its own switch. This switch means that you can charge your batteries with 200 milliamps or 500 milliamps. What does it mean? With 500, of course, they will be charged faster, but take precautions, because I would not suggest you to charge those small 1S batteries which have capacity under 500 milliamp hours with 500 milliamp current. So if your battery is under 500 milliamp hours capacity, use a stock 200, I don't know if you can see, 200 milliamp charging current, and if it's 500 or more milliamp hours, then you can use charging current of 500. Okay, let's power it up with standard USB charger for mobile phones. Whoops. And you can see one LED is red and blinking blue LEDs, which mean nothing is connected while they blink. And here I have some batteries. This is standard E-Flight type connector. You may think that it will not fit here, but actually it fits nice. And as soon as you connect it, this blue LED is turned on, and I will use this one to charge. This is 800 milliamp hours 1 1S battery, so I can charge this one with, oops, sorry, can charge this one with let's do this here with 500 milliamp current. Let's connect this one first. Great. And I will switch this to 500 since this is 800 milliampere hours battery. And that's it. I will wait till one of these batteries fully charged. Probably I will just leave this one, and probably something going to change in this with this blue LED. I will check that out and return after the battery is fully charged. There, battery is fully charged now, and you can see that that blue LED is turned off. I'll just change it like this. So when battery reaches its full capacity of charging, this is 800 milliwatt battery, and I charged it on 500 milliamp current. It took about 45 minutes to fully charge. You can see that, as I mentioned, blue LED turns off, and that's what I've been waiting. Anyway, I think this is great little product, especially that you can use USB as a power supply or any Lipo 2 or 3S battery, which is really convenient if you charge your batteries somewhere at the field. Just take a quick look on the back side. It is, let me remove these wires also. Never mind, can't do it with one hand. On the bottom is just protection for electronics, so that you don't short circuit anything. And that's it. Great little product from AKK. As usual, I have never tested any equipment except cameras and VTX, and this is really nice, and for the price around $7, I think it's great bargain for you to charge up to 5 batteries at once. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.